There is only one event on Earth that can completely freeze time. No matter who you are, where you're from, or what language you speak. When this whistle blows, the entire planet holds its breath. The World Cup isn't just about football. It's about identity. It's the single month where boundaries disappear, and local rivalries turn into global brotherhood. We see generations coming, together, grandpas and grandkids, sharing the exact same heartbeat. It's a beautiful madness that money simply cannot buy. Think about the drama. The ultimate highs and the crushing lows. 1 single second, 1 millimeter of a ball crossing the line, can change a nation's history forever. This tournament creates gods, breaks hearts, and writes legends that will be talked about for centuries. From impossible underdogs shocking the giants, to the absolute masters cementing their legacy. Because when you put on that national team jersey, you aren't just playing for a club or a paycheck. You are carrying the dreams, the hopes, and the pride of millions of people on your shoulders. That pressure is heavy, but the glory? The glory is eternal. The stage is set. History is waiting to be written. The only question left is, who will conquer the world this time? Drop your prediction in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more global football stories.